Alright guys, unfortunately there's not gonna be any face cam this video because I just got my hair cut and my barber low-key fucked my shit, so yeah, you're not gonna see this face for quite a while actually. But we're gonna be playing Minecraft, but if I take damage my left ball gets taken. So let's grab some wood to start. So we are, as always, the objective in my videos is to find diamonds. So without getting my left ball taken, so let's be careful here. Ooh, look, Hispanic pig. Ooh, sheep's from the Bronx. Yeah, here we go. I don't know what that means. I'm not gonna lie. Okay. Ooh, look, some horses. Ah, the magical horse penis. Okay. Ooh, there's a zombie right there. Alright, let's try not to take fall damage. Ooh, haha! You thought you could get me? Not today. There's a zombie right there. He's being an op. Oh, wait, I don't have food. Oh, God. Okay, hold on. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Ooh, a creeper. Okay. Alright, oh my God. Please, no. Yes. Where's this creeper? Oh, please, no. Okay, wait. Wait, this is actually dangerous. Why am I doing this? If I get hit by, like, a skeleton, it's over. Whoa, what the? Wait a minute! No way! I'm actually gonna complete this without getting my left ball taken. That's crazy. That's crazy. That's actually crazy. Oh no, I need no, I need coal. Guys. I need coal. Please no. Oh, right here. No way. Oh my God. Okay. Oh my God. No, 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 no. Come on, please, bro. I should have made a shield. Oh, wait, I could do that. Wait. No, I can't. Oh my God, it's turning nighttime too. Okay, this is a skeleton. I was afraid of that. I was afraid I was gonna run into a skeleton. So I forgot how to make a shield. I think it was like this. Okay, yeah. Alright, alright, we're good. We're good. Where's the skeleton? Oh my, wait, no, 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 wait, 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 wait. Ah!